Hi everyone, this is a Math 082 video on 3.1. This is my third example of employing the product, quotient, and power rule. So in my previous videos, I encouraged you to recall and to employ your order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So let's first look for parentheses. I see parentheses here. So I want to ask myself, is there anything in those parentheses that can be simplified or resolved? So m squared, n squared, m and n are not like terms. There is nothing that I can do here. So there's nothing I can really resolve using parentheses. So now I'm going to look at my exponents. I see an exponent here, m to the 8th, but there's really nothing that I can simplify or resolve here. Again, n to the 12th, there's nothing to be simplified. The only exponent that I can see that can be simplified is this expression down here in the denominator. So that's what we're going to work on. In the last videos, I strongly encouraged you guys to write out the whole equation every single time, for the simple fact that if you only rewrite part of the equation when you're trying to simplify, it can be easy to forget that that other bit exists. Okay, here we're going to have to use the power rule. Okay, and if you need more instruction on the power rule, I created a whole video that just explains what it is and how to use it. So the power rule says that I have to take everything in these parentheses and raise them to the third power. Okay, and then the power rule says that I take these exponents and I multiply them. So this is going to become m to the 6th, n to the 6th. Okay. Finally, this is the first video I think that we've actually had the opportunity to use the quotient rule. So looking at this expression, you might notice that we have two m's here that are being divided, and we also have two n's. So let's see if we can remember what the quotient rule tells us to do. So for example, if I have m to the 8th divided by m to the 6th, the quotient rule says that I need to subtract these two exponents. Likewise, if I have n to the 12th minus n to the 6th, I also need to subtract these exponents. So my new expression becomes 3m squared times n to the 6th. And that's it. That's my final answer.